Hello, I'm Ottavia, Rental Milan. In the price you see in the listings on my website, there is included also the cleaning service. Some of you would like to have usually some more information about this cleaning service. So it's every 4 weeks, it will be always the same day, at the same time, with the same person. Our cleaning ladies are very reliable people, and you can trust them without any troubles. And in the cleaning service, they usually make, just wash the floor, remove the dust, make the bed. They don't change bed linen and towels, and they don't wash them. They clean also the bathroom and the kitchen. Usually it takes about 3-4 hours.